Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the free assembly, Scoop, Sofia, Vergara, and Jessica Simpson pieces. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Flutter sleeve top from Free Assembly. It has that ruffled neckline, full button down, flutter sleeve, that same detailing in the front, and then that same fit through the back. Comes in the red floral. These are going to be $20. And then also in that same print are these flutter sleeve dresses. They have that elastic around the neckline, drawstring in the waist, flutter sleeve, nice and flowy. It is double lined with that drawstring going all the way around. And this one is $28. And also in that same print is this dress from Free Assembly. It has the elastic strap, square neckline, same detailing at the waist, tears all the way down. Squared in the back with the smocking. Comes in the red floral, also in the navy. It's like a poplin material, and these are $32. Sneak peek item from Free Assembly, these Eyelet balloon sleeve tops. It has that elastic V neckline with the tie, poplin material with the eyelet trim, and then also the eyelet puff sleeve with the smocking and a zipper in the back. Comes in the white, also in the black, and they are regularly going to be $26. Another sneak peek item are these shorts from Free Assembly. These sell out really fast online, especially when they have these two front pockets. So it's a high rise, shorter with the pockets in the back. In the beige, also comes in the mid-tone, and they're $18. Balloon sleeve top from Free Assembly. This one has that scoop neckline, a little bit of a flutter sleeve. It's poplin, same fit through the back in this green and blue, and then also the black and white, and they are $22. Poplin dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that scoop neckline, full button down, elastic in the waist, dolman sleeve with the two pockets, seam detailing, the drawstring in that same black and white, also in the green and blue, and they're $34. New slip skirt from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic waistband. This is a linen texture, fitted, kind of flows out towards the bottom, and then it's the same fit through the back. In the white and blue, also comes in the black, and these are going to be $24. Another sneak peek item, these halter neck dresses in that same material as the skirt. So it has the thin strap, this ruche detailing, a little tiny keyhole cut out with that belt. It's a flowy skirt. How pretty is this one? And then smocking in the back. Comes in the same white and blue, and then also solid black, and they're $36. Really good staple tee from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline, cap sleeve, fitted through the body, the seam in the back in the white, navy, and yellow, and they are going to be $12. Also, new balloon sleeve cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that higher neckline, full button down, oversized balloon sleeve, that same fit through the back, comes in the navy. I think we also saw it in white this past shop with me, and they're $22. New pawns short from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic waistband with the drawstring, flat pocket. It's a linen textured material. No pockets in the back. Only seeing it in the ivory, and these are going to be $22. New color in the 12 shorts from Free Assembly. So these have that tortoise bun. It looks like a mid-rise with the side pocket. They're a little shorter. Let's see. Yeah, mid-rise chino short with the tortoise pockets in the back. We saw them in navy, and they're $18. I shared these tanks in the last shop with me. I think they're all gone. They're just really nice for the price. It's a thicker rib material. It's a scoop neckline with a little flutter sleeve. Really good line through the front and the back, and they're $14. Yeah, so it looks like those rib tanks are all gone. So if you like it, definitely order it as soon as possible, because I've never seen anything fly off the shelf so fast. I think I was in here on Tuesday. So they have that higher neckline, sleeveless, ribbed, fitted through the body in the black. Also comes in a black and white stripe, and these are $16. Balloon sleeve linen dress from Free Assembly. This one has that smaller collar, full button down, elastic in the waist, puff sleeve, belted. It's flowy through the front and the back in the green. Also comes in that black. It's a linen texture, and these are $34. Dress from Jessica Simpson. This one has that plunging V, has a little tier Seam detailing, baby doll style. It's flowy through the front and the back. So it comes in the white, also in this light blue, and they are going to be $30. Also noticing they have my favorite denim jacket, and the price is really good. So it has this smaller collar, full button down, 2 flat pockets, button detail on the wrist. These are only $29.50, and it also comes in the white. So just like a really flattering, more fitted, shorter style, but it's not cropped. Also seeing a new jumpsuit from Jessica Simpson. This one has the thicker straps, buttons, pockets, whiskering. They're a flared leg. You can see it flares out. And then there is pockets in the back. It's a nice stretched denim, and these are $36. Also new shorts from Sofia Vergara. So these are a high rise, so linen texture. They have this belt with the little tortoise side pocket. They're $20. Flutter sleeve top from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the elastic. It's faux buttons all the way down. It's a nice kind of lightweight plaid material in the white. The little eyelet tier also comes in this, it feels like a linen texture, floral, and then it also comes in the chambray, and they are $22. Also new off the shoulder dress from Jessica Simpson. This one has the elastic, this little tier. It's flowy, smocky in the waist with the tiers at the bottom. This one kind of reminds me of like the Mesa line, and it comes in that floral, also in that pink floral. We saw some other pieces in this print before, and they are $29. We also saw this dress last week. Now they have it in a top option. These are just like the Free People. So they have the thin strap, that V neckline, peplum crisscrosses in the back with the smocking, and the white also comes in blue, and they're going to be $24. New halter neck dress from Scoop. So this one has the elastic around the neckline, sleeveless, elastic in the waist with the tier. It's flowy, and then has the keyhole in the back. Comes in the white, also in that red floral. It's a poplin material, and they're going to be $34. New Eyelet dress from Free Assembly. This one has that squared neckline, flutter sleeve. It's flowy with the drop tier. That same kind of fit through the back. It's $28. And then also new from Free Assembly is this dress. So this one has that halter neck, the balloon sleeve. It's textured material, smocking in the back with the zipper, and it's $36. Comes in this brown floral, and then also in the solid black. New pants from Sofia Vergara. So these have the little tie, this little slit on the side, flowy, very 90s. High-rise palazzo in the green, also comes in the black, and these are $20.50. Also new from Jessica Simpson is this little romper. So it has the functioning buttons, the seam detailing, little ruffled here, and then it has that elastic with the eyelet trim. Zipper in the back, smocking going all the way around in the blue chambray. Also comes in this floral, and they're going to be $29.50. Also in that floral is this longer dress. So this one has that plunging V. It's flowy. Is this a jumpsuit? No, it's a dress. It has that smocking with the open back. And this one is going to be $36. That's what the material looks like up close. Also new from Scoop is this satin top. So this one has that higher neckline, has the dolman style sleeve with elastic at the bottom. That same relaxed fit through the back. In the black, also comes in fuchsia, and these are $24. And then to match, they have these pull-on pants. These have that elastic waistband with the drawstring side pocket, so wide leg with the little slit. In the black, also comes in fuchsia. These are $24. We saw some of the stripe pieces. So this one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, scoops in the middle, some length in the back. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $20. And it also comes in fuchsia. And then I'm also seeing a new denim from Scoop. So they are a high-rise, wide leg. If you like these, don't wait, because their jeans sell out so fast. So they had the whiskering, that side pocket. They're thinner, lighter weight denim, so perfect for the warmer weather. It's a slouchy, wide leg, and they sit below the natural waist. and these are going to be $28. New embroidered skirt from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that flat front elastic with the drop tier. This one is $24. It's a midi length. New denim shorts from Sofia Vergara. These are a high rise. They have that raw hem. They're called the Chi. So 3.5-inch inseam. And they are going to be $19.50. And then to match back to the skirt, they have this top from Sofia Vergara. It has that squared neckline, seam detailing, flutter sleeve with the smocking in the back. This one is going to be $22. Also new paper bag style short from Sofia. So these are a high rise. They have this belt, the little seam detailing with the side pocket. $20. The same kind of high rise, relaxed fit through the back. New poplin dress from Free Assembly. Has that scoop neckline. I love the fit. And then it's a flowy skirt in the solid white. Also comes in the solid black. And these are $26. New coated flares from Sofia Vergara. So these are a high rise. They're the Melissa cut. So they have the flare at the bottom. These are nice and stretchy. And they are $29.50. Also this longer skirt from Sofia Vergara. So it has that flat front, elastic through the back. It's embroidered with the drop tier. This one is going to be $24. They also have the top to match. It has the flutter sleeve, squared neckline, seam detailing with the smocking in the back. And the top is going to be $22. New from Jessica Simpson are these crochet tanks. So they have the thicker strap, the squared neckline, shorter boxy fit. They also have this in plus size. Let me see. So extra small to 4X. And they are $24 in the purple and pink. And then they also have the rust and black. Also on trend for 2024 are the metallics. These are from Scoop. They have that rounded toe, knotted detail. Will be linked down below. And vest from Scoop. So this one has that plunging V neckline, the tortoise black button, seam detailing. Also comes in the solid black, and they're going to be $26. Actually, also have the blazer from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar, lapel, oversized button, 2 flat pockets, good length. It's completely lined. It's a linen texture with the button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. And this ivory and black stripe also comes in the solid black, and they're $40. The matching pants. So these are a high rise. They have that side button with the belt loops. They're a flowy leg with no pockets in the back. And the stripe also comes in the solid black. It's a linen. And they are $30. New Eyelet sleeveless top from Free Assembly. This one has that higher neckline, flutter sleeve, relax through the front, and then the same through the back. Comes in this white. They also have it in navy and red, and they are going to be $24. New poplin top from Free Assembly. So this actually kind of looks like a bit of a t-shirt material, and then the sleeve is poplin. Has the Henley buttons, soft and stretchy through the body. They're $16, only seeing it in the white. Dress from Sofia Vergara. So these have that thicker strap. It has the squared neckline, the little ruching. Has the asymmetrical kind of ruching on the side. And squared in the back. In the black, also comes in the leopard, or it's like a giraffe print. And then also the red. And these are $20. Striped dresses from Scoop. So these have that higher neckline, sleeveless, flowy in the back. And these are going to be $34. And then they also have this new style. So it has that squared neckline, ribbed, the little flowy skirt. How cute. And this one is also $34. Right next to that, also new from Scoop, is this satin dress. So this one has that ruffled neckline with the tier, smocking in the waist, in the black. Also comes in the green, and these are $34. Also new from Scoop is this little twist sleeveless top dress. So this one has that twist detail to satin material, elastic in the waist, pleated skirt. in this leopard green and blue, and they're $40. Also new from Scoop are these dresses. So this one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, tier in the waist. There's a drop tier at the bottom, and then the keyhole in the back. In this pink and red, also comes in the solid black, and they're $34. Top from Scoop. This one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, flowy through the front and the back. Comes in the fuchsia, also in the stripe and the black. They also have the little slit on the side, and they're going to be $20. New puff sleeve tops from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, the oversized balloon sleeve. It's a poplar material with the little cutout, and then the zipper in the back. And the fuchsia also comes in white and black, and they're $24. New Eyelet dresses. So I shared this in the last shop with me. I am seeing some new colors. So it's from Free Assembly. It has the thicker strap, squared neckline, seam detailing through the front, flows out with the smocking in the back in the white, black, and red. And these are going to be $36. And also from Jessica Simpson is this little cap sleeve dress. So it has the elastic, squared neckline, seam detailing in the waist, the trumpet style skirt, and then there's smocking in the back to pull it in. This one is $29. And it also comes in the solid navy. How pretty. Jessica Simpson dresses for the first time. This is an almost identical Free People dupe. So it has the double strap, has the scallop crochet at the top. It is completely lined with this textured material with the tiers all the way down. I think this is even better than the Free People because this one isn't as low cut, so it's more wearable. And then it has the little crisscross with the adjustable strap, smocking, flowy with the tier. This one is $36. I think the Free People dresses, it's like probably $150, so really good price on this one. So new wraps from Jessica Simpson. So this has that open front, has the drop sleeve, completely pointel knit, and then the coverage in the back. And these are pretty, so it'll be linked down below. Here it is, $29. Dress also comes in the white. New jumpsuit from Free Assembly. So this one has the smaller collar, full button down. It's a crop wide leg with the drawstring in the waist. They're $32 in the solid white, and then it also comes in navy. Off the shoulder dress from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that elastic neckline, double tier, elastic in the waist, that drop tier at the bottom. Same fit through the back in the black. Also comes in this purple palm. Those are the two ways to wear it, and it's $26. Also new knotted dress from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the thin strap, this knotted detail, oversized here with the squared back. This one is going to be $36. And then also newer from Sofia are these longer black dresses. They have the thin strap, this mesh trim with a crochet waist, that same crochet at with the drop tier, and then it's squared in the back. And this one is $28. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.